Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today the homies and I are gonna actually go and pick up something for Flex. He is actually doing a 5-speed swap on his IS, so he needs to get some stuff from the homie Kyler. So we're gonna meet up with him right now. Actually, well, I gotta meet up with Dallas and everyone. So yeah, so we're actually gonna pull a mission today. We're going to Oceanside. I don't remember the last time I met up with Kyler in Oceanside, so that's probably a while ago. But yeah, I'm gonna meet up with the homies right now, and let's get this video started. So we just got to Hoffman's. This is Flex, if you guys know him. What's up, bro? What are you picking up today, bro?
Camera?
No. What are you picking up today?
Bell housing for my transmission, so I can finally skirt that shit.
Yeah, so if you don't know Flex, he has the purple GS, but he sold it because he's a dumbass. But yeah, he's gonna start skirting his IS. So now the whole crew has IS.
Yes, sir. IS Nation.
Yeah, so we're gonna pick that up, and yeah, we're just waiting for everyone to get here.
Let's go.
Alright, Flex is gonna give you a little rundown on his stock IS 300. He just picked this up.
Well, it's got stock coilovers, stock wheels, stock body.
Stock coilovers? You mean stock suspension?
Stock everything. Stock suspension.
This thing drives nice. Look, you got new headlights. Something I need.
Yeah, except one of them doesn't work half the time.
How much did you pick this up for?
32, I believe. Yeah,
32. It's a steal. But let's see the inside.
You want to see the inside?
Completely stopped.
It's a little dirty right now.
But
I hadn't had the chance to vacuum.
that's gonna change. It's gonna be manual soon.
Yes, sir.
And why did you put a sticker right across your fucking radio, bro?
I don't know.
Let's check out your back. Clean. This is pretty freaking clean for 3,200.
I'm so happy you guys convinced me to get this one instead of the one that was all trash.
Oh yeah, you're dumb. But
hey, look, these are cracked though.
Man, that's like a $10-20
I already
fix.
ordered them. I ordered the clear.
Oh yeah, and Flex runs this his own little business thing, Low Remains. So if you want one of these, hit him up on Low Remains on Instagram.
I screwed it too tight right here. I cracked it.
Oh. But that shit's pretty sick. But yeah, hit him up. And he also got some pretty cool stickers for sale too, if you still have them in stock. Do you still have them in stock?
Yeah, I do. You
have a couple?
Yeah, I got a couple.
Okay, but you guys see this right now. Let's see in a couple months. Hopefully it's different. Where's he going?
I think he said, is he gonna see if his car works?
You just hit me.
Here, but
You just saw your butt crack.
Crack too.
No man. What were you doing?
Trying to fix my damn car. They don't look inside.
Look at Kyler's bunky car.
Dude, I thought it was only 3 of you guys. What the fuck did there so many of you?
Because we don't believe in the government.
Did you guys bring anything?
Nah, we fucked up.
Huh? What? No, because this guy said, oh, Kyler,
you told me that you thought it was the GPS stuff.
and I was like, oh, for real?
Blue press.
I was like, what's this type of load?
Yeah. Wait, so what's it doing?
Well, now, it's like fuel cutting, quote unquote. Not really.
Are you low on gasolina, brother?
Yeah, because that's what happened to Gus.
Lots of Bondo. Cleaned it up.
Hold him with the fender?
Look up. Hey!
Bro, you're intruding his space.
Here you go. tripping. Couldn't find the bolt.
I was like, is that shit? Is the garage door all the way?
I got you something.
What you got? Oh, you didn't give me Hoffman, dude.
Well, Hoffman has like, I bought a lot, so, but Hoffman only got it. Yeah. Yeah, no problem.
I'll just put this on my car, on my wagon.
Where's your wagon? Oh, down there.
My wagon is over there.
Your wagon. That's Kyler's wagon that he just got. He's trying to flex on me.
You never hit a pound of?
What the fuck?
I don't know. Why?
How much you want to sell the training?
I'm gonna keep it. Or
I had a feeling that's what was happening.
well, I want to sell the trends in this car. I'm gonna keep that for the wagon. So if anything, I'll just keep this as a spare. But I don't know. But if you really need the plate, I guess I could probably sell it, but I don't fucking know. Give it up.
Bro, I don't even want to put that harness in my car anymore after I did all that work.
Yay. He's my piece of shit that doesn't work.
See, I told you. Fuse pan upstage. Most people use that.
I mean, if you can fit it inside, you can fit it inside. But
Well, I already relocated it way to the
how?
how?
Yeah.
I had to splice like 11 wires, like
Good job, Doc.
lengthen them.
Well,
And there you go, Flex.
There's just
Your care
that much
package.
stuff, right? Those are like everything you need,
It's right here.
Kyler.
Huh?
That's like everything you need, right? Besides like all the extra stuff, like if you want your tag to work, like you just
There you go, Sonny.
yeah, just like plus B.
Where's your keys?
Plus B2.
it should be in the car.
Huh?
Oh, damn, that shit more blue. Spot. Damn, that's a clean ass trunk.
Oh yeah.
Hey, head to the website, y'all. Get your tail light sticker.
I'll take you out this.
Alright, bro. See you later.
Are we getting food?
Oh, we getting food? Where?
We getting food?
Every other like this is
Look, it's Kyler's neighbor. Is that what, Rocket Bunny?
Yeah.
That bitch.
Hey, we are social distancing. Social distancing away.
They're gonna wave us down?
Coronavirus.
Josh is gonna be recording.
Coronavirus.
So there's a checkpoint. We don't know if we're gonna make it.
Coronavirus.
This video will pay for our tickets.
This $4 video, and we're not even getting $4 because we're not getting that many views.
Knows. Does that say proceed with caution? With caution.
So speed up.
Proceed with caution.
Proceed with caution.
Oh, my ninja, we are slowing it through.
Coronavirus.
All trucks stop at. Is that what it said?
Maintain social distance.
Distancing, beat COVID.
Oh, here we are.
The lights are green.
Oh, we're good. We're
Told
good.
you.
We're good. Weren't they stopping cars earlier?
They do it to make sure people aren't smuggling people in.
Yeah, one time me and my brother only
Smuggle between 12 and 5. You can see it 6:25 now.
Yeah, like they ain't slowing us down.